Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed with the column charts. So let me take you to Power BI desktop so that we can proceed. So here I have a blank table, rather I have a blank page for creating column charts, and then on my right I have a sales table with various fields. So when you talk about field, we just mean the columns within a table. So let me just show you what I mean with the fields. When I click here on data view, you can see I have various columns. So these columns are what we call fields in our report view. So let's do a start column chart. So under my visualization pin, I will click on this start column chart icon, and then that will give me various options under field button. So under field button, you can see I have axis, I have legend, I have values, I have I have small multiples, and also have tooltips. So last time I mentioned that when you don't use anything, or rather when you don't drag any value or field and drop under legend, whatever you're generating as a column chart would just be a simple column chart. But when you use the legend is when it becomes a start column chart, clustered or 100% start. So let's just build a start column chart. So I'll drag date and drop under axis, but I just want years, not quarters or months. Again, I'll drag country and drop under legend. Then I'll drag again a gross margin and drop under values. So already we have our start column chart, but we need to do some changes. We need to do some cosmetics to make it look better. So let's add values for our start column chart. I'll click on this formatting button, then I'll put on the data labels. So we have our labels here. Then again we can align our title, or rather we can give our title a center alignment. So I'll go down and expand on title option. Then I want center alignment. Then I want the color to be the font color to be extreme black. Then again we can also do a border. So let's do a border. Let's put the border on and give it a radius of 16 px. So let's give it more than 16. You can give it 20 px, and then let's make clear our axis. So I'll go to axis, then I'll go to x-axis and make the color bold, or rather make the color black, and then the same will apply on the y-axis. So I'll make this color to be extreme black. Then I need to put the legend. I need to bring the legend down on my visual. So I'll position it to the bottom of my visual. So now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see we've done a start column chart, and it was that simple. So I hope you understood. So let's meet again on the next video for clustered column chart.